If you think about cities, first off, buildings themselves represent 76% of the electricity consumption of the world. And so cities have a big strain on the environment.
Energy and emission standards for the city and state really matter. We all have to take a serious look at reducing our footprint. These types of decisions are at the vanguard of our commitment to SL Green's environmental, social, and governance program.
In New York City, the power usage has changed dramatically and will continue to change dramatically. Con Edison, as the provider of all this energy, we need to try to look ahead and plan for the future.
Trane, as a company, we set bold targets for sustainability.
Con Edison is asking the community of New York to participate in demand reduction projects. And so thermal storage is a key component of the program that's being offered.
In this city, the peak load is the air conditioning load in the middle of July. And thermal storage is focused right on that. I mean, you cannot find a better solution to reduce that peak than thermal storage.
Our vision for 11 Madison will ensure the building's legacy upholds its reputation for excellence in offering premier office space supported by modern infrastructure.
Air conditioning accounts for about 40% of a building's energy use. So for 11 Madison, one of the most iconic facilities in New York City, a thermal storage system really made sense not only for their bottom line, but also for their sustainability goals as a portfolio. The thermal battery cooling system acts as a battery, charging the ice bank energy storage tanks when excess or inexpensive energy is available, and discharging when demand is high or price is high, or when the utility asks for the discharge to occur. We're creating ice at night, and we're using that ice during the day to cool off the building. We are reducing the amount of energy required by power plants that are stationed in our area.
We thought long and hard about the ice plant project. When we made this decision, the timing to switch out existing equipment with new, energy-efficient technology was perfect.
At 11 Madison, we brought in all the equipment. Every night we'd come in, remove all the protection, bring tanks in, lower them down into the 4th basement. It's a lot with the fully occupied building.
It was a learning experience for everybody. And Trane came in, we had multiple training sessions, and it really taught us a lot about the system and how to tweak it.
We'll sit with the operators, we'll sit with the management so they understand how the system works.
We were able to accomplish our goal from start to finish in only 5 weeks. So that's a huge testament to the Trane team and to SL Green's team.
One of the keys to a successful project like this is data and information that allow us to, from a distance, track to see how a building's doing.
Without that data, we would not have been able to communicate a compelling story to show the performance of the system that's being installed.
With the ice plant, we were able to lower tenant energy costs by 10% and decrease our carbon emissions. We were able to prove out to our tenants that there are financial gains by making capital investments into the base building. SL Green capitalizes on every opportunity we have to green our portfolio because we have a responsibility to our tenants, our partners, and to New York City as a whole.
Everything that we do is focused on how do we reduce greenhouse gas emissions for our customers. The Energy Efficiency Leadership Award recognizes customers that have a large impact on CO2 reduction for the climate, and SL Green fit that perfectly this year.
Having Trane as a strategic partner, we knew it would be a success. Our project at 11 Madison was our maiden voyage with Trane. We've asked them to now partner up with us at 220 East 42nd Street. They're joining us at 1 Vanderbilt, our marquee development site. The future opportunities with Trane seem endless. And as we move towards a more sustainable future, I can't see us doing it without Trane.